in this paragraph, that father scolded, no, for that she is supporting Ferdinand, that he was a godly man. And after that, what happened? Come on, young man, who is calling this? Said Prospero to the prince. Who was the prince? Yes, prince name was Ferdinand. You have no power to disobey me. So you have come here. Okay, so you have come here to this island. So you don't have any rights to disobey me. After that, what happened? Yes, Prospero had commanded Ferdinand to pile up some heavy logs of wood. King's sons, not being much used to laborious work, Miranda soon after found him almost dying with fatigue. Alas, said she, do not work so hard. My father is at his studies. He is safe for these 3 hours. Pray rest yourself. So what happened? So this Prospero is giving some work to Ferdinand to pile up some heavy logs. ரொம்ப பெரிய கஷ்டமான வேலைகள், லாக்ஸ்லாம் உட்டெல்லாம் எடுத்து கட்டி வைக்கிற மாதிரி வேலைலாம் நிறைய he is giving. Prospero is giving. He is generally testing Ferdinand is capable to do everything. Whether he has a patience இருக்கா, நல்ல பையனா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. Because he is thinking some other plan in his mind. So he is testing Ferdinand and giving all this work. So at this, actually he is being a son's, like a king or a son, he is not having that much experience of whatever. He never done any work. Okay, not having to do laborious work pannadilla. So Miranda pakra and he is doing. So Prospero had commanded him. Ferdinand is doing all the work now. And he is doing. So what happened there? He almost dying. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா, ரொம்ப டயர்டா ஃபீல் பண்றான் Ferdinand. He didn't disobey Prospero. Disobey பண்ணல, பெரியவங்க சொல்றாங்கன்றதால he done everything. And after that, what happened? So Miranda is seeing all this and she felt very bad and she is saying that do not work so hard. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு work பண்ண வேண்டாம். And why she is saying all this? Because my father is not here now. And he always busy with his studies. அவர் வந்து நிறைய மேஜிக்கல் பவர்ஸ்லாம் படிச்சுட்டே இருப்பார் மோஸ்ட்லி. ஸோ he is not here, no. So what you do, just 3 hours அவர் இங்கே வரமாட்டாரு. So better you take rest for yourself. கொஞ்ச நேரம் ரெஸ்ட் எடுங்க, then you continue like that. Who is telling? Miranda is telling to Ferdinand. So what happened after that? Oh, my dear lady, said Ferdinand, I dare not. I must finish my task before I take my rest. So for that, Ferdinand, what he is telling? Oh, my dear lady. Who is telling this to whom? Yeah, Ferdinand is telling to Miranda. So you are really a very nice lady, and I must finish my task. This task is given to me. Okay, I have to do all this before I take my rest. Rest na ella mudichadukku appuram eduthukuven. So I will do the work first, then I will take rest. Who is telling this? Ferdinand told to Miranda. For that, what Miranda is saying again? If you will sit down, said Miranda, I will carry your logs the while. But this Ferdinand would by no means agree to. So what she is telling? Okay, if you don't want to take rest, means okay, you just sit down. I will carry logs for you. உனக்காக நான் வந்து கொஞ்சம் லாக்ஸ்லாம் தூக்குறேன், கட்டைங்க woods எல்லாம் தூக்குறேன். I will help you. For that, who is telling? Miranda told to Ferdinand. But Ferdinand is never agreed. No, he never agreed to do that. No, like that. And after that, what happened? Prospero, who had enjoined Ferdinand this task merely as a trial of his love, was not at his books as his daughter supposed, but was standing by them invisible to overhear what they said. So this is the thing. What happened there? Yes, Prospero had deliberately given all the work to test Ferdinand. Ferdinand is capable to do everything. நல்லா பண்ண முடியுமா, எல்லாம் ஆர்டர் நல்லா வேலை செய்ய முடியுமா, whether he is obeying, he is giving respect to my work, to my words, everything you want to judge. So as Miranda சொன்ன மாதிரி, what happened? He never, அவர் வந்து புக்ஸ்க்கு படிக்கிறதுக்கெல்லாம் போல. So what he done? He is standing there only, actually by invisible. He is having magic powers, இல்லையா? ஸோ he never went அன்னைக்கு அப்போ வந்து அங்கே எங்கேயுமே போல பட் was standing by them invisible to overhear what they said. So he is overhearனா என்ன, அவர் அங்கே நின்று எல்லாமே கேட்டுட்டு இருக்காரு. ஆக்சுவலி he is standing there only beside Ferdinand and Miranda. அங்கே தான் இருக்காரு. But it is invisible to the eyes of both of them. But he is standing there only. After that, Ferdinand enquired her name, which she told, saying it was against her father's express command she did so. So Ferdinand enquired her name. So what Ferdinand is asking her Miranda's name. She told, saying, okay, but she said, but எங்க அப்பாவோட நாலேஜ் இல்லாம நான் வந்து it was against her father's express command did so. நான் சொல்றேன். Like that she told her name. After that what happened? And then Ferdinand in a fine long speech told the innocent Miranda he was heir to the crown of Naples and that she would be his queen. So what he said? So he admired, Ferdinand liked this Miranda very much and he told that actually innocent Miranda கிட்ட என்ன சொல்றாரு, I am the heir, நான் ஒரே ஒரு பையன், crown of Naples, king of Naples ஓட பையன், and I am the son of king of Naples and my name is Ferdinand and here afterwards no I just want you to be my queen, என்னோட குயினா நீ வரணும் என்னோட ராஜ்யத்துக்கு. லைக் தட் he is telling king of Naples ஓட, அதாவது நான் பிரின்ஸ், ஸோ என்னோட பிரின்சஸா என்னோட குயினா நீ வரணும். and like that he told to Miranda. So after that what happened? Prospero then appeared before them. அந்த அதை சொன்ன உடனே என்னாச்சு, Prospero appear ஆயிட்டாரு, டக்குன்னு appear ஆயிட்டாரு. He appeared before them. Who appeared? Prospero overheard everything, no? And he appeared before them. Fear nothing, my child, said he. Have overheard and approve all you have said. And Ferdinand, if I have too severely used you, I will make you rich amends by giving you my daughter. All your vexations were but trials of your love, and you have nobly stood the rest. Then, as my gift, take my daughter. So what happened here? Yeah, the Prospero appeared before them and told, no, don't fear my child. Actually, I have given all this task to test you. உன்னை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் I have given all the things. உன்னோட கஷ்டங்கள், உனக்கு நிறைய இப்போ நான் கஷ்டம் கொடுத்தேன்ல, நிறைய வேலைலாம் கொடுத்தேன்ல. Why all this? Because to test whether you will suit for my daughter. I am going to give my daughter to you. Okay, your gift is my daughter. Take my daughter as your gift. Like that he told to Ferdinand. After that what happened? When Prospero left them, he called his spirit Ariel, who quickly appeared before him, eager to relate what had done with Prospero's brother and the king of Naples. Ariel said he had left them almost out of their senses with fear at the strange things he had caused them to see and hear. When fatigued, went wandering about and famished for want of food, he had suddenly set before them a delicious banquet, and then, just as they were going to eat, he appeared visible before them in the shape of a harpy, a vicarious monster with wings, and the feast vanished away. Then, to their utter amazement, this seemly harpy spoke to them, reminding them of their cruelty in driving Prospero from his dukedom and leaving him and his infant daughter to perish in the sea, saying that for this cause these terrors were suffered to afflict them. So this big paragraph, so what happened? This Prospero is inquiring now to Ariel, what happened? Okay, now tell me Ariel, what happened after you brought Ferdinand here? What happened to my brother and king of Naples? So he is explaining that actually, my lord, actually I made them to suffer. they were very much hunger. Okay, so what I done na, in front of them I prepared a very big, அவங்க ரொம்ப பசியா இருக்கிறத I understood. Ariel is explaining to Prospero, உங்க பிரதரும் அந்த கிங் ஆஃப் நேபிள்ஸும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு ரொம்ப எல்லா இடத்துலையும் தேடி தேடி அலைஞ்சு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு they never had drink water and they never had any food. So I understood that they are in very much hunger. So what I done, in front of them ஒரு பெரிய விருந்து படைச்சேன், நிறைய full of feast. அவங்க முன்னாடி திடீர்னு ஃபுல்லா ஒரு suddenly appeared feast ஃபுல்லா வச்சுட்டேன். And they thought, okay, they felt very happy. பக்கத்துல போய் அதை சாப்பிடலாம், like that they thought of taking to eat. அதை பக்கத்துல போறதுக்குள்ளேயும் what happened, I immediately disappeared that. அதை அப்படியே vanish பண்ணிட்டேன் அந்த ட்ரீட்டை, அந்த மீல்ஸ், அந்த ஃபுட் மீல்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக என்ன பண்ணேன்னா வேனிஷ் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ தே ஃபெல்ட் வெரி பேட். அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் இமீடியட்லி ஐ அப்பியர்டு பிஃபோர் தேம். நான் அப்பியர் ஆனேன் எப்படி, வித் விங்ஸ், ஒக்காரியஸ் மான்ஸ்டர் மாதிரி, பெரிய மான்ஸ்டர் விங்ஸ் எல்லாம் வச்ச மான்ஸ்டர் மாதிரி ஐ appeared in front of them and I told, see, this is the thing what you have done before. இது எதுக்காகனா, already you have done so much of sin. So you remember that your brother you sent before 12 years before, you sent your brother from his kingdom, அவரோட ராஜ்யத்துல இருந்து அவர் அனுப்பிச்சிட்ட. அதுவும் இல்லாம not only that, you made your brother to go, that too he was having a small infant daughter he was having. So எப்படியாவது கடல்ல போய் ஏதாவது சாகட்டும், like that you thought, and you sent him to வாட்டர், தண்ணியில தத்தளிச்சு போட்டோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு you will send. You remember that? அதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Like that I just made him to remember. So Antonio and King of Naples remembered that. Immediately they understood, oh, like that. Yes, so I just made them. This is the thing, உங்க முன்னாடி எவ்வளோ இருந்தாலும் you are not able to have. So like this. So இதெல்லாம் கஷ்டப்படுறது எதுக்காகனா, because you have done a very major sin to your own brother. For that only you are facing all these problems now. Like that I explained. After that what happened? The king of Naples and Antonio, the false brother, repented the injustice they had done to Prospero. Felt sorry. Repented na அவங்க இப்போ ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்றாங்க. Yes, we have, whatever we have done is wrong. And my son, king of Naples, also thinking about his son died, right? அவன் பையன் வந்து தண்ணில இறந்துட்டான். And I am not having now anything to eat. சாப்பாடு இல்லை, ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இது எல்லாமே கஷ்டப்படுறதுக்கு because I have done so much of things to my own brother Prospero. Like that false brother Antonio thought all this. After that what happened? Then bring them here, Ariel, said Prospero. So these all narrated by Ariel to Prospero. So அவங்க ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் ஃபீல் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே, okay, then you bring them in before me, முன்னாடி கொண்டு வா. Like that. Who is telling? Yeah, who was telling this all? Prospero told to Ariel. So Ariel immediately what Ariel done? Ariel soon returned with the king Antonio and old Gonzalo. This Gonzalo was the same who had so kindly provided Prospero formerly with books and provisions when his wicked brother, left him as he thought to perish in an open boat in the sea. Yeah, main character, this Gonzalo, the person, Ariel went to take whatever, whomever was there in the ship, right? So Gonzalo was there, king of Naples was there, and Antonio. So Gonzalo, who was Gonzalo? You remember that Gonzalo, the person who kept அந்த தண்ணியில போய் மூழ்கி சாகட்டும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அந்தோனியோ ஒரு சின்ன போட்ல விட்டுட்டார்ல. அப்போ வந்து திஸ் கொன்சாலோ ஒன்லி எங்க மாஸ்டருக்கு இதெல்லாம் வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஹி கெப்ட் புக்ஸ், மேஜிக், ப்ரொவிஷன் இதெல்லாம் வந்து அவங்க பிரதருக்கு தெரியாம இந்த திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொன்சாலோ ஒன்லி கெப்ட் இன் ஹிஸ் போட். நோ, that Gonzalo everyone they are bringing. So this Gonzalo was there now, Antonio was there, and king of Naples were there. After that what happened? Grief and terror had so stupefied their senses that they did not know Prospero. He first discovered himself to the good old Gonzalo, calling him the preserver of his life. And then his brother and the king knew that he was the injured Prospero. So many years they were there in the island. Grief, கஷ்டங்களே ரொம்ப பட்டதுனால ப்ராஸ்பரோ இஸ் லுக்கிங் டோட்டலி டிஃப்ரெண்ட். அவர் ராஜா மாதிரியே இல்லாமல் ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி ஓல்டாக வித்தியாசமாக இருந்ததுனால இந்த கிங் ஆஃப் நேபிள்ஸ்க்கும் ஆண்டோனியோக்கும் தே cannot recognize his brother. ப்ராஸ்பரோவை பார்க்க முடியல, தெரியல, பார்த்து கூட they are not able to understand. But this ப்ராஸ்பரோ he first discovered himself. So இந்த உங்களால தான் நான் வந்து இங்கே இருக்கேன். யூ ஆர் மை ப்ரிசர்வர் ஆஃப் லைஃப், யூ ஆர் மை ப்ரிசர்வர் ஆஃப் லைஃப். ஹூ செட் திஸ்? ப்ராஸ்பரோ டோல் டு கொன்சாலோ. ஸோ கொன்சாலோ கிட்ட இந்த வார்த்தையை சொன்ன உடனே so this king and Antonio understood, okay, this is Prospero only, because Gonzalo only helped Prospero, like that. And after that, Antonio, with tears and sad words of sorrow and true repentance, implored his brother's forgiveness, and Prospero forgave them. And upon their engaging to restore his dukedom, he said to the king of Naples, I have a gift in store for you too. And opening a door, showed him his son Ferdinand playing chess with Miranda. So what happened? Antonio felt very much bad and he is having full of tears in his eyes, and he said that really I am very sorry my brother, like that he is repenting very badly and he is asking for forgiveness to his brother Prospero. Sorry, நான் உங்க kingdom எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன், I am really sorry, like that he is asking so much of apologize to his brother. So immediately Prospero, what he done? He forgiven them. எல்லாரையும் மன்னிச்சிடுறாரு. மன்னிச்சிட்டு அன்டோனியோவை மன்னிச்சிடுறாரு. and he is telling to king of Naples, and I have a gift for you, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு gift வச்சிருக்கேன், like that he is telling. and he showed one door. in that he opened the door. அங்க திறந்த அந்த டோர் ஓப்பன் ஆன உடனே who was there? Miranda playing chess with Ferdinand. ஃபெர்டினாண்டும் மிராண்டாவும் செஸ் விளாண்டுருக்காங்க. அதை பார்த்த உடனே கிங் ஆஃப் நேபிள்ஸ் felt very very happy. So what happened? The next paragraph. Nothing could exceed the joy of the father and the son at this unexpected meeting, for they each saw the other drowned in the storm. Actually, okay, exceed of joy, இது வந்து அளவில்லா ஒரு சந்தோஷம், எக்ஸீடாக இருந்தது ஜாய். ஃபாதருக்கும் சன்னுக்கும் they are seeing each other. Actually, father thought son drowned, son thought father drowned. Okay, in the stormல ரெண்டு பேரும் இறந்து போயிட்டாங்கன்னு நினைச்சா, but both are alive. So they felt very happy. And after that, what happened? The king of Naples was almost as much astonished at the beauty and excellent graces of the young Miranda as his son had been. Who is this maid? Said he. She is the daughter of this Prospero, who is the famous Duke of Milan, of whose renown I have heard so much, but never saw him till now. Of him I have received a new life. He has made himself to me a second father, giving me this dear lady, said Ferdinand. So what happened? King of Naples saw that girl, Miranda பார்த்த உடனே he felt very beautiful lady is sitting along with my son. Who is this maid, my son? Like that King of Naples is asking to Ferdinand. So for that, Ferdinand explaining, this is the daughter of Prospero, this Prospero, and actually he is a famous Duke of Milan, and he is explaining, இவர் தான் Prospero, மிராண்டாவோட அப்பா, like that he is telling. and அப்படியா, I have heard about many things about him, but இன்னைக்கு தான் இவர் தான் Duke of Milanன்றது, now only I am seeing him. So he is my second father. இவர் வந்து என்னோட ரெண்டாவது அப்பா மாதிரி, because he given his daughter to me, this dear lady he given to me to marry appa, like that he is telling to his father, he is explaining. Ferdinand told everything to his king of Naples, his father. Okay, and after that what happened? No more of that, said Prospero. Let us not remember our troubled past, since they so happily have ended. And then Prospero embraced his brother and again assured him of his forgiveness. Okay, no more, no, don't want to talk about anything troubles. Past பத்தி எதுவும் பேச வேண்டாம். Don't talk anything about past. Who said all this? Yes, Prospero said. So here afterwards we have a very happy ending. நம்மளுக்கு சந்தோஷமா நம்ம வாழலாம். Don't talk any past which troubled us. And then he is telling, and then Prospero, don't worry my brother, I will forgive you, like that he was telling. And after that, last two paragraphs of the lesson, Prospero now told them that their ship was safe in the harbor, and the sailors all on board her, and that he and his daughter would accompany them home the next morning. So he's telling, okay, don't worry, here afterwards everything has become all right. Now you can go in the ship. The ship வந்து ஹார்பர்ல ரொம்ப சேஃபா தான் இருக்கு, and you can go in that. Okay, you all can go in that. And he and his daughter would accompany them the next morning. நீங்கெல்லாம் போங்க அந்த ஷிப்ல, and myself and my daughter will come next morning. நாளைக்கு வந்துடுறோம், tomorrow we will come. Okay, like that. Who said? Prospero told to all, that Ferdinand, Antonio, King of Naples, Gonzalo, everyone. Okay, he told that. And after that, last paragraph. Before Prospero left the island, he dismissed Ariel from his service, to the great joy of that lively little spirit. Yeah, because he had that one work, no, that Ariel was under his control, actually. Okay, and Ariel, no, what happened? He dismissed Ariel from his service. Okay, here afterwards you can be very free. You can go wherever you want, my dear Ariel. You can go. And that Ariel also is very happy, very great joy, and he went from that place with a little lively little spirit. So with this lesson gets over, the happy ending.